Today's topic is to convert a string into a key value pair dictionary by separating the commas in the string. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a map method and a lambda function, and the method 3 by using an evolve method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use a dictionary comprehension over here. So we are going to go through each and every element after we are splitting our string into the portions, which is after the comma and the before the commas. And after that the t splitting, we are again splitting our substring into the two portions by equal to symbol. So what is this dictionary is going to do over here is it's going to take that two portions of the string after splitting them into the equal to, and it will convert that into the key and a value pair, and we are storing them into the dictionary 1, and we have them as an output.